Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Leveling up fast in Cuphead requires strategy and practice, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 1. Start with the tutorial levels to get comfortable with the game mechanics. These early stages teach you basic dodging and shooting techniques that you'll need throughout the entire game. Don't rush through them because mastering these fundamentals will save you tons of time later. Step 2. Focus on collecting coins and gems whenever you can find them. These resources unlock new weapons and abilities that make bosses way easier to defeat. Always backtrack through levels to grab any coins you missed on your first run. Step 3. Upgrade your weapons strategically before tackling harder bosses. The charge shot and spread shot are incredibly useful for different boss types. Experiment with each weapon to find what works best for your playstyle and the enemy you're facing. Step 4. Practice parrying attacks by jumping and hitting the spacebar at the right moment. This defensive move is crucial for surviving longer in boss fights and actually speeds up your progress. Dedicate time to learning the timing because it'll make battles significantly easier. Step 5. Farm easier levels repeatedly to build up your resources before moving on to harder content. This grinding strategy ensures you're fully equipped and confident before facing the tough bosses that block your progression path.